The 4K active deterrence turret from R series is finally here. This camera not only can capture an intruder in 4K, but it can also scare them away with its bright deterrent lights and loud siren. The 8 megapixel turret is jam-packed with awesome features such as active deterrence, 24/7 color, AI-powered intelligent events, 80 feet of IR for an optional night vision, two-way audio communication, a micro SD card slot for onboard storage, and a weatherproof rating of IP66. With all of these working together, it makes it hard for anything to slip past your security camera. Hey guys, it's Matt from Nelly Security. In this video, we're going to be zeroing in on the active deterrence feature from this 4K turret from R series. When it comes to the deterrent lights, you have the choice between a white deterrent light and or the red and blue strobe lights. For a quick way to activate the deterrence lights, simply click the icons on the live view inside of the camera's web interface or on the RxCam mobile app. In order to set up the deterrence lights for being paired to an intelligent event, you'll need to do it from the web interface inside of device settings. When the camera is set to full color mode, the white lights won't be able to be used as deterrence lights because they need to stay on to illuminate everything for 24/7 color. When this mode is activated, the only deterrent light you will be able to use is the red and blue strobe lights. When the camera is in day-night mode, you can use both of the lights as a deterrent. To activate and manage the deterrence lights, go to Setup inside of Event, then click on Deterrence. There, you will be able to manage your lights. Since we have the camera set to day-night mode, we have the option to toggle on one or both of the deterrent lights. The first option on top is the white deterrent light. When you turn it on, you will be able to set up how many seconds the lights will go off for. Underneath that is deterrence mode. The white light has two deterrent mode options: light warning, which is a simple floodlight that turns on, or light strobe, which is a flashing white strobe light. If you select the strobe lights, you will have the option to change the frequency of the flashing. Below the white deterrent light, you will find the red and blue strobe lights, which are categorized on the web interface simply as warning light. Just like the other lights, you can change the duration of how long the strobe lights will go off for. Along with the lights, this 4K turret comes with a siren for active deterrence. Click on the siren tab and toggle it to on. There you can adjust how loud it is and the duration of how long it will go off for. Now that you have your deterrence activated, you can pair it to go off when triggered by the AI-powered intelligent event you have enabled. Like I said, the 4K turret is bursting with features. Check out the links in the description to learn more about this camera. I hope this has been helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.